Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to plan a music festival using Airtable, your ultimate 2025 guide. First up, let's create a new base titled Music Festival 2025. We do this because it's important to keep all our festival-related data in one place. It makes for an organized and efficient planning process. Now that we've created our base, let's add tables for bands, vendors, volunteers, and schedules. This is because each aspect of the festival requires its own set of data. For instance, the bands table can keep track of contract statuses, set times, and contact information. Meanwhile, vendors can track types of food, payment details, and location setups. Next up, we need to link these tables together. Airtable is great for this because it allows for seamless interconnectivity. For example, you can link a band to their set time on the schedules table. This helps us because it ensures all elements of the festival are interconnected, making it easier to manage overall. Now, let's add a calendar view to our schedules table. It's a great visual tool that allows you to see your music festival timeline at a glance. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is pulling the dates from your schedules table and displaying them on a monthly calendar. Cool, right? Lastly, let's use Airtable's collaboration feature. You can invite team members to your base and assign them tasks. This is a critical step because planning a music festival is a team effort. This feature ensures everyone stays on the same page. And that's a wrap on planning a music festival using Airtable. With a tool like this, you'll be rocking your 2025 festival in no time. Thanks for tuning in.